Let me start.
Oh damn! I'm voting. Oh damn! I'm voting for not Lucas. Not Lucas is a great player.
I forget
What?
who he is. Oh, it's Ben.
Yeah.
Why would you vote for not?
Okay, no, I'm voting for Lucas now.
I'm voting for
Yay.
Lucas.
Wow. I have the people's vote.
Yeah. Just like
Doesn't
Tom had
take
the
much.
people's vote because Ben sucked Abbo's cock. I helped him win, and he could. God, Abbo. I'm sorry.
He got
I'm
lucky.
sorry you
He
lost.
got lucky.
Abbo, I'm
Honestly,
sorry you lost, but it's because you had Ben helping you. It's only
Yeah.
karma.
Yeah.
But it's because Ben was trying to match fix.
Challenge me, Ben.
It's not a match fixing.
It's
You're
not
allowed to
fixing.
He's
practice.
such an innocent, pure person because his karma is so good in all of these games.
Challenge me, Ben.
Tom, how do you
Either
feel
that or Tom is always really
feel?
unlucky, except
how
for when he
good?
plays
How
Probably
Pokemon.
lose
so
this
high?
one.
I can't hear you.
Okay, fine.
No one's talking now. You can speak.
How do you get your karma so high?
Oh,
You
This
got
battle
the
is
best
invite
karma.
only.
Ben.
That'll
Benjamin.
be Ben.
I got my karma.
No, Lucas, he opened it
Fine.
invite only so he can see your team. He's gonna.
Yeah,
he's
he's
gonna
actually such a cheater.
Yeah, I secretly got 10 teams ready.
You know, I think
Based on what
Abbo's
he
karma
brings.
is super low, actually.
That's true.
Yeah.
Has it? Does it
You were
that I'm
cahooting,
just a bad person?
and you
Yes.
cahooted with
Alright,
Ben.
You taunted me.
no,
That's so
Ben.
mean.
I
Why
am
did you
mute.
do that? That's the karma.
My volume to zero.
What?
Taunted me.
Oh yeah, I tried really hard to stop you from setting up.
Yeah, all my
'Cause I-
Pokemon was set up.
Yeah, I know, especially that Clefable
Well,
and
the Mew would have won everything just for that free.
Yeah, it would have.
So sad.
I hate you.
Tom's a lucker once again. Just takes
Maybe
one
one-
freeze at the
one
right
game
time.
was that a
The
victory, Tom?
10% won you the game. Tom. The 10%. Oh my god. I only had one
Well,
death
to be
as
fair,
well.
you probably only took out Latios because you crit with knockoff.
Yeah. I
So
think
there is
That's
that.
true. That is true.
What? No.
No,
Yeah, well,
it does
I
double
don't
damage
have
when you
no
knock off an item. No,
I-
when you knock
yeah.
off an item,
Yeah,
it does
so
double
it would
damage.
have done less damage.
It would have
Yeah.
done.
That's it.
Half damage.
Yep.
Yeah,
What
would have
you-
done half damage.
God.
Jeez, Abbo, you're
Abbo
such a
even
lucker.
deserved to win. He doesn't know
Who
what
isn't here? Who isn't here? Abbo isn't here?
I'm here.
My
I'm
dad's
sorry.
not here,
Okay.
but that's because he's busy.
Yeah, Tom, where's your dad?
Uh,
Come on, Tom,
Scott's
go
not
put your
here.
dad on your phone.
Yeah, Scott's not gonna be here.
Okay,
everyone-
Cameron's not here.
Cameron would be
Ludo,
here.
Cameron's
Ludo is
definitely
not here.
So that's
Yeah.
good.
Let's tell him to
That's
go.
a lie.
What's that, Tom?
Oh, that's true. Cameron
You
is
said
here.
3 people wouldn't be here, and there's 10 people.
Okay, so let's see what Ben leads. Could be an interesting one.
Yuxi.
Yeah,
Oh! Let me go.
Now this is, I think this is what Lucas wants.
Valium.
Oh, it's Trick Room Mixie though. I don't know if Lucas was expecting
Oh yeah,
that.
Ben.
What is
I
Ben's
played
Trick
against
Room
Ben,
user?
and the reason for
Instead,
his
it didn't
trick
break
room-
the substitute.
No, it didn't make some
Uh.
really, really bad for Ben.
Yeah.
Yeah, what has he got this? Is it Chesnaught his?
No,
No, it's
it's
Rampardos.
Okay.
yeah, it's Rampardos.
I-
He really
oh, of course.
apparently it one shots
course.
three of his
Abba, I'm
Pokemon.
sorry, you're not allowed to go.
Of
into
course. Yeah,
Well,
I won't go
that's
into much
Well, we
detail
stopped Ben
either.
talking about your
Yeah.
stuff. You
But
start letting
I'll
it
say
out.
this one thing: Cabanion wins this one pretty hard
Yeah.
if Ben stays in
Well, I
with the
assume
move that
Ben,
it may or may not have.
I assume
Oh.
Ben expected.
Okay, we'll hit. There
Okay, yeah,
goes,
Ben was
there
just
goes
getting with a
Chesnaught.
substitute. I'll be
Oh
honest.
no. Okay,
So he's slower than
weird.
Chesnaught.
Hmm.
No, he's faster.
No, it's
Trick Room.
faster.
Oh, it's Trick Room.
I don't know why he didn't.
I guess because he wants to prolong the trick room.
But how much is this Earthquake doing to Gabalium?
Probably a lot.
Yeah, I don't know if that's
That's a good
damage he
shot.
wants to take.
No, no, it's not.
Especially because it's like Trick Room now, so he's
Yeah.
yeah.
Did he have a protect?
No.
He has a slow Rampardos.
Yes.
No, I mean
Okay, so
No,
you mean
Lucas,
Lucas.
Lucas has protect.
Probably not.
he
could
definitely should have
snow.
air slashed there and not.
I'm
Maybe
not sure
he
if
thought,
tank
he
around
thought it
Pardos
was gonna like
anyway.
collision speed or something. I don't know.
I reckon
Or
Lucas
would
actually
have.
swaps to Swallow. to avoid the earthquake, and then what he uses a rock move swaps
Yeah,
to
but
stubborn
Ben,
house.
I think Ben kills it with a rock move anyway, so why wouldn't he use a rock move
I
now?
think he's talking about before.
I don't know if it does because
Oh, no,
it's
he's not.
steel
Oh,
fighting.
Is this just,
Well, no,
if this
Tom,
is
you wanna
choice
keep-
band?
You do want to use
Adamant.
Oh, is it choice band?
Yeah, I mean it'd be risky swapping to Swellow. Maybe it pays off.
What's the
Yeah.
choice?
I mean,
band
also you
element?
save Kabalion. I feel like
Yeah,
Kabalion's more
Rampardos.
worthwhile keeping.
But on this health, what is Cabana gonna do? Can't safely sub anymore, really.
Yeah. Unless he's bulkier than we think.
Well,
Like, it's-
if Ben sets up Trick Room again, he can swap it into either Infernape or
And basically,
Well,
Cabana
no,
Dragon
no,
Ball,
in
can't he?
fact, I don't reckon.
Okay, yeah.
the rest
So he's
of Ben's
expecting the
team-
earthquake.
Oh.
Ooh,
Fire
God.
fire punch.
But it's not enough. Okay.
Now this is he's Garchomp
Garchomp.
can take the fire punches.
Or
pretty
does he
well,
have?
I imagine.
Does Magmar have like Flash Fire or something?
Is Shaman
No,
not
no,
faster?
no, it doesn't.
Shaman will one hit Rampardos.
Yeah, isn't it just faster? So it
Oh
just
yeah,
seed
that's true. Trick
flares.
Room's ended. Didn't even realize.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Leech Seed because it's grass.
Oh
That's
my
a good
God.
play by Ben.
Yeah.
But Swellow, I think,
Now Ben tries
sits
to leech
all
seed.
over this
Yeah.
Shaman.
Unless he gets one shot with a flying move.
I think Swellow might be the
Hmm.
swap here.
Oh, I love the name Outwitto.
Yeah. Oh no, okay.
Rogue.
I
Fair enough.
guess.
No damage.
Oh.
Okay, so who does Ben swap into here? Because he probably doesn't keep Ditto out.
Rampardos and just tank it.
Well, I mean,
You'd probably tank it.
Yeah, Rampardos, Dragapult resists fire as well.
Yeah.
I
That
don't-
might be
no,
what
I
Luke
think-
is banking on.
I think he'll.
Yeah,
oh,
that's what
does
I'm
it-
thinking.
Okay.
No.
Oh, Luke.
Okay.
Yeah, Dragapult having
Nah,
Dragapult.
nah,
School
nah.
shooter.
It could still happen. It can still
Okay,
happen.
can we ban him?
It can still happen. Come on. Come on. No!
Oh.
Oh,
Man, he shot the school with meteorites.
That's pretty impressive, I will say.
that's gotta be choice specs modest. Dragapult,
Mm.
for sure.
Thing is, with Ben, you know he's run the number.
So, Garchomp will come up now, I think.
Well, I don't know. I think it still
With
gets one
preliminary-
shot.
I think
or
Jake
Absol.
Meteor might still
Both
do
Absol and
Yeah.
Garchomp, because Garchomp will be faster.
it. Isn't Swallow fast? Wait, is Garchomp faster?
Wait,
It'll- it's
Garchomp won't be
Garchomp.
fast.
It's Scarf Chomp.
Scarf Chomp. Okay. I
But,
think
but
you're giving
it's
too much
kind of
away about
obvious.
these stats.
So now it's kind of obvious to Ben that it's Scarf Garchomp because Lucas swapped it in.
Yeah.
So
Unless
Ben,
he's going
but
for
Ben
the
hasn't
big-
taken his fairy type.
Yeah. Unless he's
So
going for the
something is-
big brain play.
Yeah.
Unless Ben is like,
Yeah.
Garchomp's not faster.
If I'm Lucas here, I
think
actually
that
use
might happen.
Crunch.
He's not. He's got 0.5 special attack. I don't think he's gonna stay in with Dragapult.
If if I'm
It's-
Lucas here, I use Crunch. Oh,
Yeah.
because that was his only. Because his best swap was really Uxie.
Yeah, he's just gonna
Is
give-
this? It's gonna Trick Room again.
Yeah. But now, if he swaps back into Dragapult, he can sack a Pokemon, swap to Cavalion, and start taking them out.
No switch out. Ah.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah.
Mm,
Oh no, it's Rampardos.
That was a really
okay.
bad play from Lucas, I'll be honest.
Uh,
Yeah. Ben's like, he's run the numbers. He's confident in this Rampardos.
Well, yeah. How much does Rampardos has got a lot better defense than special defense? So I don't
It's
think
not
there's
got
a
a
lot-
lot of any
no.
defense.
Rampardos has 150 attack and shit everything else.
Yeah.
Isn't its defense a lot better than its special? defense?
oh,
I mean, I can have a look.
Ice
Its
Beam.
defense is 60 and its special defense is 50. Yeah, a lot
Okay.
better.
A lot.
Okay, it's not a lot better.
Okay, there's Cavalion. But what does
Sucker Punch might
Cavalion
have
do here?
done a decent amount. then.
Gamalion dives to fire punch.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
And some other.
He must be sacking it. So he must
Almost
sack it,
certainly.
go into Shaymins
Oh,
when Trick Room's over, and then
Oh, the Ice Beam.
Ben just swaps to
100%.
Infernape, and he has no good swap
Garchomp.
left.
Yeah, do you go back into Absol here?
My lord.
Well, you either sack Absol or
Wait,
Swallow.
whose Ice Beam did that?
Absol's probably the better.
Hmm?
Oh, fucking
Yeah, it was Rampardos with Ice Beam.
Rampardos with Ice
And it one-shot.
Yeah,
Yeah,
one-shot it.
I guess one shot Garchomp.
yeah.
He ran the numbers.
It's got
Double
60,
super
I guess
effectives.
65 special attack isn't the worst. It'll be a minus like special defense nature then.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
even
and-
so, did he
Yeah.
not know
Okay,
his
so he's
typical
sacking
ice
Shay.
level?
What does he have that can
Right.
deal with this Rampardos?
I don't know.
If he does it, if it's not Shaymin. If Shaymin,
Wallow sweep?
what
I think
does he have
sends
instead?
out Absol now, and then
I think we have
finishes
to
it
get
off with
ready for
Swallow.
a huge crying Lucas when he comes back. Or maybe
Okay.
not.
What does? I wonder what Absol has. Is it? Do you think it's scarfed?
It's Life Orb.
Why do
Or is
you
it
get
Life
damage
Orb?
from
Oh
Life
yeah, I
Orb?
missed that.
Because it
Okay,
has
it gets one shot here. It gets to Swallow.
With Rampala
Not
taking
punch.
lethal damage?
Yeah, it can only suck a punch here.
Yeah.
And then,
I know.
okay, so what is everyone's health at?
I
I don't think
Swallow
can do it.
Low, full, mid.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
think Swallow can.
No.
Burst Swallow can quite do it.
Boom
It- it-
burst.
It's
He
scratch.
hasn't won
Actually,
the,
no, it does. What?
Well, can't.
Okay.
I don't know. Ditto will probably do
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
gonna be
things.
scarf. Yeah,
It's
it's
gonna be a
scarf.
speed time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, unless it's scarf Ditto,
Yeah.
then it won't.
It's a, wait, Lucas is not scarf.
No, it's specs. Boom burst specs.
Oh no,
That's
yeah,
what you
no,
do
it's
on
definitely
Swallow.
scarfed.
He
Yeah,
probably could
no,
have swapped
Good
to.
job, Ben. Good
Yeah.
The
job.
guts.
GG. Oh,
I want to
that's
see
a
the
plus.
gut swallow.
I was rooting for you the whole time, Ben.
Thank you.
Who's,
I
who
bet
is
the
in the
others
last
weren't.
one for the day?
I've
Oh, it's pretty
never
neutral.
rooted for you. He's just saying that now.
I'll see in the recording.
They didn't want
Harry
me to talk because I
Matthews.
was going to say stuff about your
Yeah,
team.
that's the rules.
Yeah, we don't want it spoiled.
Help preserve
No.
the suspense. You don't go to football going, oh well,
Didn't-
you know.
How, do I
That
That
get
just
them?
Valiant at the start with the substitute threw me off, Lucas. I had
Everything
to
else
switch
was
into not
calculatable.
Rampados in
Yeah, I
the
didn't.
quick room.
You had 4 Pokemon left, right, Ben?
I had 3 left.
3.
I sacked the. I had to sack something into that.
Swallow.
Swallow.
Oh,
but
Lucas,
I
you
couldn't-
promised me you were gonna win
Yeah.
this week. Dear.
Wait, did he promise you?
Yes. He came
You
round to
swear on
my
his
house
life?
and we did a pinky swear.
Is it Minas?
Yeah, it's you and me.
Okay, I guess someone.
Wait, Tom, does that mean you've been breaking quarantine?
don't you
What is
drink
this?
your
He broke quarantine. Also,
You're
it's not
allowed
breaking
to go into
quarantine. We're
Smart,
allowed to
one
do
of
that.
those-
You're allowed to
I'm gonna
pinky
stop.
swear.